Hello and welcome to Delta Dental's Veterans Affairs Dental Insurance Program, commonly referred to as VADIP. Delta Dental is pleased to partner with the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs and thrilled to offer a national dental insurance program for eligible VA beneficiaries. We proudly offer 3 plan choices to best meet the veteran's specific needs and an expansive dentist network to take care of their smiles as well as their wallets. Let's get started on learning about the Veterans Affairs Dental Insurance Program. Delta Dental was awarded the contract for the VADIP in August of 2017. Enrollment in the new VADIP contract began on November 15, 2017. The VADIP service area includes the U.S., the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, the U.S. Virgin Islands, American Samoa, and the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands. Coverage does not extend to those living outside this service area. Delta Dental has successfully administered federal government dental programs for over 30 years, and we've been in the dental benefits business for over 60 years. Dental is all that we do. We offer 3 great plan options to choose from depending on the veteran's dental needs, and an expansive network of dentists nationwide who provide great care and great savings. Eligible beneficiaries include veterans enrolled in VA healthcare and individuals enrolled in VA's Civilian Health and Medical Program, or CHAMP VA. Complete eligibility information on VADIP can be found at deltadentalins.com/VADIP. To enroll in VA healthcare or for VADIP eligibility questions, visit the Veterans Affairs website listed here or call 877-222-8387. To enroll as a CHAMP VA beneficiary, visit the CHAMP VA website listed here or call 1-800-733-8387. There are 3 ways that the veteran or CHAMP VA beneficiary can enroll in the VADIP. Online at deltadentalins.com/VADIP under Enroll Now is by far the easiest and fastest way. They could also print an application from our website and mail it to us, or lastly, if the veteran or CHAMP VA beneficiary doesn't have internet access, they can call our toll-free number and one of our customer service associates can assist them with enrollment or mail them an enrollment application kit. There is a 12-month enrollment commitment under the VADIP. Once that is met, the veteran or CHAMP VA beneficiary has the option to remain enrolled on a month-to-month basis as long as they remain eligible for coverage. Enrollees have a 30-day grace period from their coverage effective date to decide if they want to remain enrolled in the program. Provided that they have not used any of the benefits, new subscribers are welcome to disenroll at any time during the 30-day grace period. The veteran or CHAMP VA beneficiary can start using the program on the first day of the month following enrollment. For example, if they enroll at any point in January, their coverage effective date is February 1st. Once enrollment is processed and confirmed, we will send a welcome email with information explaining where to find information on the plan chosen. If an email address is not provided, a welcome packet will be mailed. When visiting a Delta Dental PPO dentist, the veteran or CHAMP VA beneficiary simply provides their Social Security number and date of birth. An identification card is not required. However, the veteran or CHAMP VA beneficiary does have the option to print an enrollment card by going to deltadentalins.com/VADIP and registering with the Consumer Toolkit. VADIP offers 3 plans to choose from, which we will discuss in more detail on the next couple of slides. We also offer an expansive network of dentists. Currently, there are more than 260,000 provider locations nationwide. The benefit year for the VADIP is January 1st through December 31st. The Enhanced Plan has an annual maximum of $1,000 per person. The Comprehensive Plan has an annual maximum of $1,500 per person, and the Prime Plan has an annual maximum of $3,000 per person. There is a $50 deductible per person per benefit year in each plan. For enrollees in the Comprehensive and Prime plans, however, the deductible does not apply for any in-network services. Additionally, the deductible does not apply to diagnostic and preventive services in any of the 3 plans. Under the enhanced plan, cleanings, exams, and annual x-rays are covered at 100% when going in-network and at 80% when going out-of-network. Basic restorative services are covered at 50% when going in-network and 30% when going out-of-network. After a 12-month waiting period, endodontics and periodontics are covered at 50% in-network and 30% out-of-network. Simple extractions are the only oral surgery procedures included in the enhanced plan and are covered at 50% in-network and 30% out-of-network. Again, there's an annual maximum of $1,000 per enrollee and a $50 deductible. Under the comprehensive plan, diagnostic and preventive services are covered at 100% in-network and 80% out-of-network. Basic restorative services, like fillings, are covered at 60% in-network and 40% out-of-network. Major restorative services like crowns, root canals, gum surgery, oral surgery, and prosthodontics are covered at 50% in-network and 30% out-of-network. There is a 12-month waiting period before these services are covered. Simple extractions are the only covered services for oral surgery in the first 12 months. There is a $1,500 annual maximum and a $50 out-of-network deductible. There is no deductible when staying in-network. Under the Prime plan, diagnostic and preventive services are covered at 100% in-network and 90% out-of-network. Basic restorative services are covered 70% in-network and 60% out-of-network. Endodontics, periodontics, and prosthodontics are covered 50% in-network and 40% out-of-network after a 12-month waiting period has been met. Crowns are covered 70% in-network and 60% out-of-network once the 12-month waiting period has been met. There's a $3,000 annual maximum and a $50 out-of-network deductible. There is no deductible when staying in-network. To save enrollees the most out-of-pocket money, Delta Dental offers a network with over 260,000 participating dentist locations nationwide. These dentists belong to the Delta Dental PPO network. These network dentists have agreed to pre-negotiated fees and to submit all claims paperwork for the veteran beneficiary. For basic services like annual cleanings, exams, and an x-ray, seeing a network dentist ensures no copayment at all. Seeking care from a network dentist ensures lower costs and provides a cost containment feature. Contrary to that, when going to a non-network dentist, there is no ceiling as to what they can charge. In addition to accepting the allowed fee and submitting the claim form for the enrollee at no cost, as well as adhering to strict quality of care standards, network dentists have also agreed to only ask the enrollee for their copayment level up front. If the enrollee sees a non-network dentist, however, he or she can ask for all of the money up front, and then the enrollee will have to wait for the check from the program. To find a Delta Dental PPO network dentist, enrollees can go to deltadentalins.com/VADIP and click on Dentist Search on the home page. If the enrollee chooses to seek treatment from a non-network dentist, the VADIP will pay the lower percentage for covered services and cannot guarantee the dentist's fees. Out-of-network dentists will bill enrollees for their normal fees, which most likely will be more than the program allowed amount. The enrollee will then be responsible for the difference between the dentist fee and the VADIP allowed amount, plus their deductible, if applicable. When verifying a network dentist status, it is important that enrollees specifically ask whether their dentist is participating in the Delta Dental PPO network. Participating is different from accepting. Thank you for your time. Our goal to serve veterans and CHAMP VA beneficiaries as well as they have served our country. For any questions, program materials, the latest news on the VADIP, and to contact your local Delta Dental representative, please visit our website at deltadentalins.com/VADIP. Thank you.